tell me your budget traveling. Tell me without telling. There is like 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Keshav on air, and new day, new destination, and I am in Luanda. Luanda is in Angola. जिनको नहीं पता, it's an African country, and I'm very lucky to get this flight. So अभी मैं बाहर जाने वाला हूँ to a beach club, and keep watching to see what's gonna happen more. Also, जिसने अभी तक मुझे सब्सक्राइब, फॉलो एंड लाइक नहीं किया ये वीडियो, प्लीज़ डू इट नाउ so that it reaches to the whole world. Thank you. Alrighty, so one thing I want you to see, my view. The view from my room is absolutely breathtaking. Wow. So that's the ocean there, right there. And I'm so lucky. I wake up on my bed and have a view of this beautiful ocean. See, imagine me having a coffee. So have a look. Well, how can I miss the room 2 times? So room was very beautiful. This is the washroom. There was a cubicle, there is shower place, and simple, you know. And यहाँ पे पानी की bottle और मेरा tea coffee station है ये. This glass was very nice. Anyways, now this is the time for the room. The bed was very comfortable, but as I said, the view took my heart away. I mean, I will never forget this view of Luanda. I mean, it's beautiful, guys. Have see the skyscrapers and the ocean behind it. मैं वहीं पे कहीं गया था. I'm in love it. Well, we are going towards the beach club, but the problem is होटल का ATM मशीन काम नहीं कर रहा है यार. जब चाहिए होता ना इस काम करने के लिए, तो वो काम क्यों नहीं करता है? And right now I am with very expensive girl. Please introduce. Hi, name, country, people are...
Christopher from Ghana.
Very nice, yeah. So today we have one Ghanaian friend here. I'm so tired. I was about to put my hotel key card inside. Work has been done. हमने पैसे बाहर निकाल लिए हैं, और मतलब बहुत कभी लगता है कि हम बाहर जा रहे होते हैं तो थोड़ा कुछ उठाना पड़ता है ना. Okay, these girls wanna say hi. Guys, introduce yourself. People are...
I'm Kamala. I'm from Angola.
Kamala Harris' sister.
From Nigeria.
Woo! I'm so excited to hang out with all of them. Today I'm among with my African sisters. It's gonna be fun. So we are about to reach our location. Is there. Man, the sunset is giving. It's giving. Somebody just said sunset is gone. Okay, after. Because we are late. We are late.
Alright.
This reminds me of that Phuket night. So pretty. And this is the beach this side. So इस beach club का नाम है Misanga, and guys, it was very beautiful. There are small cabanas here. यहाँ पे, and there is no charges. You can just sit. Just you need to order food and drinks. So we can see the DJ has started, the setup हो रहा है यहाँ पे. हम उनके पीछे ही बैठे हैं एकदम. And our drinks are here. This is what? Which one? This is pina colada.
Passion promise.
Passion.
Oh, this is passion.
Passion promise.
I thought this was passion.
There is mojito.
And mine, Caparina. Why mine is small? Obrigado. But I only take the drink. Yeah. What's the name of this drink?
Hi, vlog.
She will tell us the names because I'm very poor at
I
it.
only know the name of my drink. This is Passion Promises.
Passion Promises. I think it has some,
Like
heaven.
the passion fruit. It's basically the passion fruit version of a pina colada.
Nice. And yours is hers is a special beverage
And
here.
this one is a granizado de frutas.
See. And this one? Passion fruit mojito.
Yeah. Mojito de maracuyá.
And for me, I ordered a caparina. It has all the rina, all the rum inside. Oh well, again हमारा वही हाल हो गया. We are waiting for the taxi. Taxi का क्या मतलब? Sometimes I feel like Uber is a blessing in disguise, right? You can be anywhere, anytime, and look at her braids, man. These braids are art. Guys, thank you so much for your time today. She said she wanted to hear this language. So, how was your day, guys? Did you like Luanda? Maybe. She's like 50-50. Yeah, she has to go to a nightclub here. Tell me your budget traveling. Tell me without telling. There is like 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. There is so many. I mean like India, like you know, in auto rides we sit like 5 people in place of 3. Yeah. So yeah, this is a good budget traveling tip. Good morning, everyone. This is the second day in Angola, and I'm really excited because I'm gonna stay in the hotel. I'm not going out, don't worry. But because the hotel itself is a beautiful hotel, so I'm gonna work out today, and yeah, we'll hang out at the pool maybe. Let's see what's gonna happen. And oh my God, the view. Africa के अंदर ये one of the expensive and beautiful country they say. So I mean, it quite right. See the high-rise building in Africa. You know, it's beautiful, and we should appreciate. कोई भी कंट्री हो उसका एक अपना फ्लेवर और अपनी एक स्पेशलिटी होती है, तो यू शुड ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट एंड लाइक दैट कंट्री. एग्जैक्टली. सो लेट्स गो टू द जिम नाउ. I had to share this with you guys. Guys, there is a machine which counts your rep, and it's on every machine. Like हर एक मशीन पे लिखा हुआ है. तो तुम जितना भी रैप मारोगे ना, मतलब जितनी बार भी तुम मूवमेंट करोगे. See, I made 1. This is 2. So वहाँ पे रैप लिखा आएगा उसका, which is the best part about it. I hope ये सारी जिम में आए ये रैप. मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि मैं कौन से काउंट पे हूँ. So you guys deserve to see the view from the pool also. So इस होटल के अंदर ये पूल था. I mean पूल की साइड में एक बार भी है. एंड yes, मैं थोड़ा सा स्विम किया यहाँ पे, एंड आई हैड अ गुड टाइम. चिल किया. पीछे देखो एक रेस्टोरेंट प्लस बार भी है, सो विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. So you can enjoy, order drink, food, and enjoy the view. ये मेरा व्यू है गाइस, एंड अभी सनसेट हो रहा है, तो इट लुक सो प्रिटी. ये पूरा सी है. कैन यू सी दैट सी? I mean, this is what I want to live my life to, you know. I want to wake up on my bed and have a view of this one. Thank you. Okay, of course, later I followed by dinner, and I decided to have Italian food, Luanda में, and the food was very nice. These are the breads, and मेरा pizza भी आ गया था. I ordered vegetarian pizza because that time नवरात्रि चल रही थी, तो I had to order something vegetarian, but it was yum. Then my favorite Baileys. I had Baileys with chocolate because on special request he made it for us. So after that amazing dinner, this is my time to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Now this is your time to give me the attendance and hit that like button. Also subscribe the channel now. You can just press the bell icon so that you can see my videos upcoming. I will keep uploading and you will keep watching, but it's very important to subscribe. So goodbye, take care, and see you in the next destination in the next vlog.